Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps you need to turn off the low-quality message filter on X. If you've been missing messages or simply want full control over what shows up in your inbox, this quick guide will show you how to disable the filter in just a few taps. Let's get right into it. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. This is where all your conversations and requests are organized. Next, you'll see an option for message requests. Go ahead and tap on that. Message requests is the section where messages from people who don't follow you or who you don't follow usually appear. This is also where filters are applied by default to block out what the system thinks might be low quality. Now look to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. This will open up a menu with different options for how your messages are organized and filtered. In this menu, you'll see an option called Filter Low-Quality Messages. This is the setting that automatically hides or limits certain messages from reaching your inbox. If you prefer to see everything without restrictions, simply toggle this option off. Once switched off, the low-quality message filter will no longer screen out messages. That means you'll have a more complete view of all your incoming requests and conversations, giving you more control over what you read and who you respond to. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the filter. From now on, nothing will be hidden unless you choose to mute or block a specific account yourself. This quick adjustment is helpful if you don't want to risk missing important messages. Just remember, without the filter, you may also see more spam or unwanted content, but the choice is completely yours. Thanks for watching.